This is how I made a churro bowl. With ice cream in it, 10 ounces of milk, 4 ounces of butter, 1 teaspoon each of salt and sugar, boil it, 6 ounces of flour, combine them
all at once.
Mix all the way so it forms all together. Add 3 eggs, 1 by 1, mix, second egg, mix, the last egg, mix it baby. Vanilla extract, mix it one more time, pipe it in the bag, upside down cupcake pan. Pipe your churro mix till you hit to the top. Tickle, tickle, just make it flat. Make sure you leave space in between so they don't stick together. Pop in the freezer for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we need sugar, cinnamon, and mix it. Now they look like igloos.
It's hard. Knock, knock.
Pop them out.
Churro cups.
Fry them in oil.
Oh, it's like a boat.
Baste that baby up. Turn it around. Do that 2C slide. Once golden brown, sprinkle cinnamon sugar. Put on a rack, chocolate ice cream, strawberries, powdered sugar, and time to eat. Oh. Now with a spoon. You don't need a spoon. That's what I'm talking about. Jori Mezuda.